Here is the step-by-step guide on how to customize Photos app in iOS 18 to resemble the design of iOS 17. You can customize the Photos app by rearranging and hiding sections to create less cluttered and more familiar interface. First open Photos app on your iOS 18 device. Now scroll down to the bottom of the Photos app screen and tap on option Customize and Reorder. Now press and hold three lines on the right side of the each section and drag them to your desired order. To simplify the layout, uncheck the sections that you don't want to see, for example people or pinned collections. Now tap on X icon in the top right corner to save your customization. And you will have customized layout in Photos app on iOS 18. So that is how you can customize Photos app on iPhone with iOS 18. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.